Hello, family. This is Laissa coming to have a quick chat today. Just talking about some of the pitfalls we can run into as investors, as everyday people um, that, haven't always studied the markets, or, we lean more heavily on what someone else is saying instead of being able to do the research ourselves. And most of the information is available to us. It's a matter of us digging in and finding what we need, and then being able to decipher, like if this information will benefit me or if this information won't benefit me, or even just taking the time, waiting out, a bad period until a period becomes better, or know how to take advantage of a bad period, as opposed to just waiting for a good period. So I want to take a look at a company here. The company I'm looking at today is Deere, John Deere. Not going too into detail, but just like I said, just talking about some basic pitfalls that we can run into as investors. Here I was just doing some research this morning, just reading through basically online website, and came across John Deere. And you take a look here in this section. This came out Barron's.com. It said 3 hours ago. At that time, it was just only minutes. It was brand new. It was like maybe 30, 40 minutes old when I first saw it. But it says Deere crushed earnings estimates. Stock is flying. So basically meaning that if you don't even know what earnings estimates means, but the stock is flying and it crushed. So that means that, something good is going on with John Deere. And then, here, same time, Reuters. 3 hours, so basically about the same time, Deere sees sharp fall in annual profit as lockdown sap demand. So, like I said, came out at the same time. And then these are reputable papers or organizations writing about Deere. And now Deere sees sharp fall in annual profits as lockdown sap demand. So is Deere going up or is Deere going down? That, that would confuse me, being, new to the markets and not really knowing what's going on. And then here, MarketWatch, also a reputable site. Deere stock gains after profit and revenue fall, but beats expectations. So Deere stock gains after profit and revenue fall. So to me, it was like that. What came out 4 hours ago was a combination of the two things that that I was just talking about. It happened in 3 hours ago. The two articles that I referenced before. It says that the stock gained, but even their profit and revenue fell, but they beat expectations. So I mean, just looking at that, it's a lot of confusion, but this is what I'm talking about when I come on and make these videos and talk to you guys, is that I'm saying get knowledge, get understanding of the market, learn how to look at the markets and how to benefit from the markets, whether these markets are going up, whether these markets are going down. All this information about Deere is on one page. It's on one page, and that was a lot of confusion. How is something missing revenue and profit, and the stock is going up? Can't explain everything, but to have someone go through that with you, that's what the value that mentorship provides. So, as always, just talking to you guys about joining the Abacus, get this knowledge, get understanding of what's going on in the markets, because it will affect your pockets at some point in some way, whether you're invested in the markets or not. You just need to know what's going on. So I'm here to help. Reach out to me. You can become a member of the Abacus and get this knowledge for as little as $75 per month, or you can buy the entire basic package for a one-time fee of $250. I'd love to hear from you. This is Laissa. You can find me on Facebook at Laissa S. Barnes. You can find me on Instagram at LegacyGenius44. And you can also find me on Twitter and YouTube at Laissa Barnes. I'd love to hear from you. Take care. Bye.